Hello dear students, welcome you all. I am Mrs. Sujata Tarle from KK Polytechnic Nasik. In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the measures of dispersion, that is the mean deviation for the group data. The learning outcome. After watching this video, the students will be able to calculate the mean deviation about mean for the given group data. So here it is the formula to find the mean deviation about mean for the group data. As we know, in group data we have given that the class interval and its corresponding frequency. So to find the mean deviation, first step we have to find out the mean. The mean x bar is equal to summation of fi into xi upon summation of fi. So to find this one, prepare the table like this. In first column, write down the given class interval. Then write down its corresponding frequency. And at the last, just taken out its sum, the sum of all frequency here. Then in next column, find out the xi. This xi means the class mark. This class mark is nothing but the mid value of the class interval. Then in next column, find out this fi into xi. Then here at the last one, just taken out is sum, that is summation of fi into xi. So here we get the mean. The mean x bar is equal to this summation of fi xi upon summation of fi. So after getting the mean, the next step is we have to find out this mod of xi minus x bar. So here subtract this mean x bar from all these observation and then take the mod of that value. The mod or the absolute value of any number is always positive. Then in last column, find out this product, that is fi into this mod of xi minus x bar. And at the last, just taken out its sum, that is summation of fi into mod of xi minus x bar. So the formula is mean deviation about mean is equal to summation of fi into mod of xi minus x bar upon summation of fi. So let us discuss the example. Here, find the mean deviation about mean for the following data. In this example, we have given that the class mark and its frequency. So the solution is, the first step we have to find out the mean. For that, first write down the given class interval. The given class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. Then in second column, write down its corresponding frequency. That is 3, 5, 8, 3 and 1. And at the last, just taken out its sum. The sum of its frequency, which is equal to 20. Then in next column, we have to find out this class mark. This class mark xi means the mid value of this class interval. So for the first class 0 to 10, the class mark is 0 plus 10 upon 2. Just taking the mid value of this class interval. How to find out this? Just the lower class limit plus upper class limit divided by 2. That is 0 plus 10 upon 2, which is equal to 5. Then next for class 10 to 20, the class mark is 10 plus 20 upon 2, which is equal to 15. For the next class, which is equal to 35. Then for 30 to 40, the class mark is 35. And for class 40 to 50, the class mark is 45. So the next step is, here find out this fi into xi. Taken out multiplication. Here this fi, this 3 into 5, which is equal to 15. Then this 5 into 15, 75. Then 8 into 25, which is 200. Then this 3 into 35, which is 105, and the last one 1 into 45, 45. And at the last, just taken out its sum, the sum of all this value, which is equal to 440. Now we have to find out the mean. The mean x bar is equal to, the formula is summation of fi into xi upon summation of fi. Just substitute the value here. The summation of fi into xi, which is equal to 440, upon summation of fi, which is equal to 20. So the mean x bar is equal to 20. Now we have to find out the mean deviation. So the mean deviation is, the formula is summation of fi into mod of xi minus x bar upon summation of fi. Here it is a formula. So as per this formula, now we have to find out this value. It is mod of xi minus x bar. So let us find this mod of xi minus x bar. Here, mod of xi minus x bar means, here from all these observations, that is from this xi, we have to subtract this 22. So, and then take the mod of that value. So we get here 5 minus 22, which is equal to minus 17, and then take the mod of minus 17, which is equal to plus 17. Then mod of 15 minus 22, which is equal to 7. Then mod of 45 minus 22, which is equal to 3. Then mod of 35 minus 22, which is equal to 13. And at the last, mod of 45 minus 22, which is equal to 23. And at the last, we have to find out this fi into mod of xi minus x bar. Just taken out the product of these two terms. Then we get here this 3 into 17, which is 51. Then 5 into 7, 35, 8 into 3, 24, 3 into 13, 39, 1 into 33, 23. And at the last is taken out its sum. Summation of this fi into mod of xi minus x bar, which is equal to 172. Now just substitute the value here. The summation of fi into mod of xi minus x bar, which is equal to 172 upon summation of fi, which is 20. So the mean deviation is 8.6. That is the last answer. Thank you.